Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the essential skills every consultant needs to stay competitive in 2024. Whether you're just starting or looking to sharpen your edge, these skills are a must have in your toolkit. Let's get started. In today's ever evolving business landscape, consultants need to go beyond traditional expertise. Here are the top skills that will set you apart and keep you ahead of the curve. First up, data analytics mastery. With data at the heart of decision making, you need to be proficient in analyzing and interpreting data. This will enable you to provide actionable insights and drive strategic initiatives for your clients. Next, digital marketing expertise. Understanding SEO, PPC, and social media marketing is highly crucial. Helping your clients maximize their online presence can significantly boost their reach and engagement. Change management skills. As organizations constantly evolve, your ability to guide them through transitions smoothly will be invaluable. Successful implementations of new strategies and processes hinges on the skill. Fourth, tech savviness. Stay updated on emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, IoT. Leveraging these can position you as a forward thinking consultant who offers innovative solutions. Fifth, let's talk soft skills. Communication, collaboration, leadership are essential. Building strong client relationships and fostering teamwork can make or break your projects. Sixth, industry specialization. Deep knowledge of specific sectors allows you to provide tailored solutions. Understanding unique challenges within industries will make your advice more relevant and impactful. Finally, agility and adaptability. The ability to pivot strategies and embrace new methodologies is the key. Being flexible in dynamic environments will help you thrive and deliver results. Mastering these skills, you'll not only stay competitive but also lead the way in delivering impactful results for your clients. Keep learning, keep evolving, and keep excelling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to boost your consulting career. See you next time.